Hi Pisces, welcome to your reading. So this is for June 8th to June 10th, no? Um, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So na may mga readings din po tayo doon every day. So you might want to check and subscribe to the channel as well. Mag-comment po kayo kung kayo nakaka-resonate or kung meron kayo mga tanong, ano? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Pisces for June 8 to June 10. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang nakikita mo na yung sinasabi nating pag-asa. Nakikita mo na yung parang, oy, I'm winning, no? Winning not just sa connection ninyo, winning because of, kumbaga, your person's also giving you a lot of, kumbaga, power as of the moment. So nakikita mo yung parang they care about too much, no? Not to a point na nakakainis yung too much, no? Yung parang nakikita mo lang na may extra, no? Especially when it comes to yung mga kakabati pa lang, no? Yung mga kakaayos pa lang ng relationship. I feel like this connection is going to be a lot stronger for those who just went back together, no? Um, and for those who are still in separation, whether it is physical or energetic, no? Alam mo na hindi ito yung katapusan, no, ng relationship. Alam mo na hindi ito yung ending. Kasi uh, somewhat may mga signs or meron ka pang napapansin na yung person ko is hindi pa siya totally either na move on or ibinibigay, no? Yung totoong, kumbaga, tinatapon itong relationship. Somewhat, for a few numbers of you, there's still some connection or communication, if I may say. Hindi nga lang ganun kadalas. I feel like you are both waiting for each other. Kumbaga, sino sa atin yung magpapakumbaba, no? Kumbaga, kahit meron ditong away, meron ditong sinasabi natin na, confident ako na magkakabalikan kami. Ang nagiging issue lang dito, sino ang mauuna, no? Sino ang mag-initiate ng conversation? Sino ang mag-initiate ng halika na, no, okay na, tapusin na natin ang away. Alam mo na magkakabalikan. I think, no, with all of these three of ones and the two of ones doon sa magkabilang dulo, both of you are observing each other's energy, no? Hindi ko sinasabing nagpapataasan ng ihi, pero nag-aantayan, sabihin natin, nag-aantayan. Sige na, ikaw na kasi mauna. Lalo na, actually, may naalala akong ganitong situation eh. Yung iba kahit hindi naman nagkakaroon ng away, no? Alam mo yung dun sa phone, sige na, baba mo na. Hindi na, ikaw na. Ikaw na mauna. Ikaw na mauna. Yung parang ganon. Ganon yung energy. Where's the Chariot, the Four of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. So I feel like meron ditong nagpa-plan. Either can we move out? So for those of you in cohabitation, siguro yung mga nag-live-in gusto nang lumipat ng bahay. Yung iba naman nag-aantay na kailan mo ba ako yayayain, no, na magsama na tayo to a point of kasal, no? With the Strength card and the Knight of Pentacles. So nandito tayo sa part na sinasabi natin, I'm staying. Hindi man siya umuusad But I have a strong belief na itong connection na ito, dadating din yung time para sa amin, no? Um, it might not be now, it might not be soon, pero hindi na ako hahanap ng iba, no? Kumbaga, someone is also tell themselves, no, na secure na ako dito. Kahit medyo, wala namang perfect relationship, kahit medyo may konting tampuhan, I would rather stay. Alam mo yung kantang um, incomplete, no? Parang ganon. I'd rather pala yun, sorry, I'd rather had bad times with you than to spend, than to blah blah with someone else. Yun, yung ganun yung, mas pipiliin kita, no? Kesa magkahiwalay tayo. Ayan. So this is your reading, Pisces. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Ngayon po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel din po yun, may mga video din, may mga videos din po tayo, no? Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, might as well comment po sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, meron pong form sa description box ng video na ito, no. Yung form po, it's either you have to click the link or copy the link, you will be routed to my page. Nandun po yung instructions, pakibasa po mabuti, no. And we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it, discounted price po yun, no. So that is your, if you also want to avail our private reading, no, nandun po yan sa description box. So this is your reading, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the